Nothing is impossible for those who expect to succeed. When chasing your dreams, there is a science to believe in. A placebo is a pill that contains no actual medicine, no drug, just sugar, water, or gelatin. Half of all doctors prescribe placebos and are proven effective against every health condition known to man. Placebos are also 100% safe. So why does placebos work? It works because the patient believes it will. The cure is essentially all in their head. Do not surrender to negative assumptions like, I'm too young, I have no money, I have no resources, I'm not the right background, I'm not smart enough. You'll often be questioned and criticized for what you're doing. The truth is, having haters confirms the fact that they're working, because your moves are a reminder of what they're not doing. The power of the placebo is in the expectation. There are no side effects and you cannot overdose. To fulfill the dream, optimism and belief are 100% required. Also know that chasing the dream is not enough. To achieve the dream, you must release the plan. Think through all the details. Break the whole plan down into small workable parts. Set a time frame for accomplishing each task of your dream plan. Go back and review your plan from time to time. If something's not working, try another approach. As Drake said, a goal is just a dream with a deadline. Now it's time to describe your dream. Answer the following questions inside the box. What is your dream? Why is this your dream? What must you improve upon to reach this dream? Who will help you reach your dream? What skills does your dream require? Will others treat you differently when you achieve your dream? Create your plan. My education connects to my dream in the following way. What are 3 goals you will set to reach your dream? Which subject in school will best prepare you for your dream? Why do you feel this subject will best prepare you?